Drone technology. What is a drone? The term drone usually refers to any unpiloted aircraft. Sometimes referred to as unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, these crafts can carry out an impressive range of tasks, ranging from military operations to package delivery. Drones can be as large as an aircraft or as small as the palm of your hand. What is a drone? Drones, sometimes referred to as unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, carry out tasks that range from the mundane to the ultra-dangerous. These robot-like aircrafts can be found rescuing avalanche victims as well as dropping off groceries at your doorstep, and almost everywhere in between. What is drone technology? Drones rely on a combination of hardware and software components to achieve successful takeoff, flight and landing. Drones are often equipped with rotors or fixed wings, sensors, navigation systems and gyroscopes for stability, and are operated by ground control stations. What are drones used for? Drones are used for more than military and recreational purposes. In fact, UAVs can be found improving the efficiency and safety of almost every industry imaginable, from wildlife conservation to medical supply delivery. Uses and applications of drones: military drones, drones for delivery, drones for emergency rescue, drones in agriculture, drones in outer space, drones for wildlife and historical conservation, drones in medicine, drones for photography, built-in national jobs. What is a drone? Drone definition and uses. Drone technology. What is a drone? The term drone usually refers to any unpiloted aircraft. Sometimes referred to as unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, these crafts can carry out an impressive range of tasks, ranging from military operations to package delivery. Drones can be as large as an aircraft or as small as the palm of your hand. What are drones? Drones are being implemented in a variety of industries to carry out dangerous tasks or make monotonous tasks more efficient. Image. Shutterstock. What is a drone? Drones, sometimes referred to as unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, carry out tasks that range from the mundane to the ultra-dangerous. These robot-like aircrafts can be found rescuing avalanche victims as well as dropping off groceries at your doorstep, and almost everywhere in between. Drone definition. What is a drone? A drone refers to any aerial vehicle that receives remote commands from a pilot or relies on software for autonomous flight. Many drones display features like cameras for collecting visual data and propellers for stabilizing their flight patterns. Sectors like videography, search and rescue, agriculture and transportation have adopted drone technology. Originally developed for the military and aerospace industries, drones have found their way into the mainstream because of the enhanced levels of safety and efficiency they bring. These robotic UAVs operate without a pilot on board and with different levels of autonomy. A drone's autonomy level can range from remotely piloted, a human controls its movements, to advanced autonomy, which means that it relies on a system of sensors and LiDAR detectors to calculate its movement. Different drones are capable of traveling varying heights and distances. Very close-range drones usually have the ability to travel up to 3 miles and are mostly used by hobbyists. Close-range UAVs have a range of around 30 miles. Short-range drones travel up to 90 miles and are used primarily for espionage and intelligence gathering. Mid-range UAVs have a 400-mile distance range and could be used for intelligence gathering, scientific studies and meteorological research. The longest-range drones are called endurance UAVs and have the ability to go beyond the 400-mile range and up to 3,000 feet in the air. Because drones can be controlled remotely and can be flown at varying distances and heights, they make perfect candidates to take on some of the toughest jobs in the world. They can be found assisting in a search for survivors after a hurricane, giving law enforcement and military an eye in the sky during terrorist situations, and advancing scientific research in some of the most extreme climates on the planet. Drones have even made their way into our homes and serve as entertainment for hobbyists and a vital tool for photographers. Drone-powered inspections monitoring bridge safety. How do drones work? Many parts are involved behind the scenes to support the seamless operation of drones, so it's important to become familiar with the unmanned or remote technology that makes up a drone system. From delivering commands to ensuring a manageable weight, pilots must take into account the various factors that make a drone suited for specific jobs. Among the many variables in play, some of the most critical components of a drone to consider are its ground